Hey, what's going on, y'all? I've been out today kind of cleaning up the yard, getting ready for fall. I'm starting the process of getting the pineapple bed, or aka bikini bottom, ready for fall. And what I've started to do is, in addition to cleaning up the weeds, because this thing was horribly infiltrated with weeds, in addition to that, I've gone through and I've pulled out most of the spent plants. There's 2 or 3 of them over there. There was 2 or 3 of them here. As you can see, we still have fruit coming in. So we'll deal with those as they come, but all of the rest of them we've already enjoyed. But I want to show you something else. These plants, some of them anyway, have massive suckers on them. Let me see if I can show you one. Let's see if this one is one. All right, you can see this is where the pineapple came from. And then there is a plant growing out of the middle of it. And what I do when that's the case is I go in and I peel all the lower leaves. And what I'm doing with those leaves, I just planted a papaya right there, a papaya right there, and a lemon drop mangosteen right there. So what I'm getting ready to do is all of the leaves that I peel off, I'm gonna use them as mulch in an effort to protect these plants over winter. Now this is what it looks like when you peel those leaves all the way back. Now look at this. This is the sucker right here. And look, she's ready to go in the ground. I just have to separate her roots from mama. I have one over here that's doing her own thing. So this is mama I'm taking off. So mama is done. I don't need any more plants from her. So she's going in the compost somewhere. And this is a beautiful, beautiful plant that's ready to be planted. It's already 2 feet tall, y'all. So I'm going to continue this process with those that need it. Some of them have suckers right at the base. So we're just gonna go in and pop those away from mama. Because when they're at the base like this, they're already making contact with the soil, so they have roots also. And mama is done for me. Y'all know I already have about 1.5 million plants from these plants. So before the rain comes down too hard, I'm gonna go ahead and see how much I can get done with these plants and then get the suckers replanted into bikini bottom. Y'all have a good one out there.